Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Already knowing that I'm him, ball on just like Tim. My little bad and she got just like Kim. Always throwing shots at me but never hit the rim. I need all my pockets fat as f*** and all my slim. All my honey's blue, I'm all a bit.
What it do, YouTube, man? I really hope y'all can see, because I'm finna bring y'all a nighttime POV. Bars! I just brought this vlog in so hard. Anywho, hey man, shout out to Red Tiger Dash Cam for sending me their dash cam.
What wrong with these niggas? Hey, Memphis nigga everywhere I go. Memphis nigga everywhere I go. Memphis nigga everywhere I go.
But shout out to them for that. They got the police over there. So, yeah, I think I don't know where we at right now. We about somewhere. Oh, I think it's the emergency room. See, I ain't even know that. So, 250. My bad. I'm trying to look at the GPS and record for y'all, but this is the street I gotta turn on. All right, man. I'm finna start getting y'all this POV. All right, YouTube. We are getting on the highway. I'm gonna put y'all in sport mode. Y'all hear them pops back there, man. Stop playing. CATLESS the way to go, bro. I know y'all really can't see, so I'm gonna try to show y'all what I can. And it's super cold, but I gotta get this content for y'all, man. And the camera do not do justice on how loud this car is, bro. Like, I'm gonna be honest. We gotta roll the windows up, but just a little bit, though. Oh my God. Car is so loud, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Hey man, I did it with that one, y'all. Going CATLESS was the best decision I done made. 10 out of 10, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. You can't have a SRT JD POV without stargazing, man. We got them stars on here today. Hold on, is this a little bridge? You gotta love these mopars, bro. Like, dude, these cars, oh yeah, we got a bridge. These cars so loud, bro. It is an empty highway tonight, y'all. There ain't nobody on the roads. Uh-oh, another one. Hey, look. Y'all, I'm telling you. Like, y'all probably think I'm just being obnoxious, but like, if you know the feeling, you know, like when you get your exhaust done or redone on your car, it feel like a brand new car. Like, it feel faster, it's louder. CATLESS the way to go, man. I'm gonna be honest. I actually think this might exit, but I don't even know. Cause I'm making sure I get y'all this content, man, no matter what. Let's see, I hope the GPS pop up. Yes, it did. This is my exit. Hey, YouTube, this actually might be a 2-part POV. So I'm about to end this POV right now at nighttime, and then I'm gonna just start it again tomorrow. So it's gonna be like a little 2-day vlog, even though I wasn't vlogging that long at night. But you know, I wanted this to be a nighttime POV video, but this is just gonna be a CATLESS SCATPACK POV video. I love hearing the sound echo off these like barriers and stuff. Shifts. Oh yeah. The pops is crazy. All right, YouTube, man. I'm gonna cut the camera back on tomorrow. All right, YouTube. As promised, I told y'all I'm gonna cut the camera back on the next day and finish getting y'all this POV. So y'all see, we got the drift scan right here. So right now I'm getting me some food at this food truck. And I'm gonna show y'all too, cause I found them on Instagram, y'all. And the chicken looked way too good for me not to try it. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get it. But y'all see the drift scat right here, man. I'm gonna cut the camera back on when I get my food. Yeah, look, I gotta show y'all. This look too crazy. Oh yeah. So hey man, I'm finna hurry up and get to the crib. I am gonna still get y'all a POV, but I gotta hurry up and get home and eat this though. God, I gotta try it fried though, y'all. Oh yeah, this it right here. All right, YouTube. So my car do have a built-in navigation that I have never used before, man. So this is my first time using it, and it's actually really convenient because I can vlog and still know where I'm trying to go. You know what I'm saying? So per usual, man, we're gonna get in sport mode. We're gonna turn the traction off. All right, man, hold on. Hold up. Get this. So you can, you know what I'm saying? Bing. All right, let's get it. Got to all the POV. POV with SRT, JD, baby. I got bars all video, man, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh. This might be too low. I know this is gonna be too low. I'm not even gonna try that.
What the fuck, y'all? God damn!
Gotta go out this way. Yeah, this one a lot better. All right, man, so y'all see we are in Texas, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all this CATLESS POV. I want y'all to hear how loud this car is, man. These kids still hard, y'all. This car's so loud, like I'm not even hitting the gas, y'all. We at 2,000 RPMs, bro. And it's like almost screaming. I can't even imagine having long tube headers. Ooh. Yes, sir. Talk to him. Hey, I like this little GPS thing. That's very clutch. That's very clutch, Dodge. Y'all did good with that feature, man. But this is boring, so I'm gonna cut the camera back off, man. I'm gonna cut it back on once we get on the highway or something. All right, y'all. So we are on the highway. Uh-oh, we got a bridge. Downshift real quick. I don't understand why people get in the fast lane and don't be going fast. Like, you ain't gotta go 100 miles an hour, but don't be going 60, bro. I'm telling y'all, I've been like 10 times happier with my car since I got my exhaust gun, or since I redid my mid pipes. Cause it just sounds so good. What is that? Okay. It is getting dark, man. Ooh. My baby sounds good. And like I said yesterday, you know, it ain't a JD POV if it leaves stargazing, man. Why this truck on my bumper like that? Y'all see him? It's okay. Dash cam got him for sure. It is like 5 o'clock traffic too, though. I love seeing the city view like this, man. Uh-oh, we got some more little bridges, tunnels.
Man, shit ain't got serious, man. You hear me, man? I'm on the
Yes, sir, ski. Oh my goodness. This is why y'all should, bro. I think. I don't know, I just love like how loud the car can be, and I don't even have to be speeding. It could be a bad thing and a good thing, though, you know what I'm saying? But yes, sir. Oh, is that an SRT? Hey, I think that's it. Hold on. Hold on. I think that's an old SRT, man. Hold on. We gotta see. We gotta see. Yeah, that's exactly what that is. I think. I want him to come past me, though. Let's see, y'all. I think he had red brakes. I don't know what kind of Charger this is. That's an SRT8, man. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Man, wait till I get this burble tune, man. I'm telling y'all. Y'all see we got the SRTs out. I'm telling you, bro, you gotta love your car being loud, bro. Hey, this is why, like, you gotta love cars. Like, I never met this dude. What the world, bro? Okay. Just out of nowhere. Okay. Alright, YouTube. I'm gonna see if I can get y'all some more footage eventually. But I am getting off at this exit, man. Y'all see bro with the SRT on me. Shout out to you, my boy. If you watch this video or something, I don't know. Alright, YouTube. As I'm editing this video, I just realized that I did not even close the video out. So with that being said, man, this is the end of this video. Stay tuned for the videos we got coming in the future. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe, keep God first, chase y'all dreams, man. It's our TJD out.
Already knowing that I'm him. Ball on just like Tim. My little bad and she got just like Kim. Always throwing shots at me but never hit the rim. I need all my pockets fat as fuck and all my slim. All my honey's blue.